Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you several ways how you can edit sheets in your project workspaces on Smartsheet. For example, if you'd like to edit them, customize them, rename them, add or assign workspace members to them, and so on and so forth, guys. There's a lot you can do with these sheets. So let us dive right into it and show you how this can be done. So in the first step, head over to Smartsheet and log into your account. And there are two ways how you can access your sheets. The first option, guys, here from your home. Let me just navigate back to the home section. The first option would be to head over to the browse icon or section here on the left panel. And from here, guys, expand the workspaces list here to the left under browse by clicking into that arrow icon and select the given workspace you would like to work with. These will be listed here under workspaces. So I can go with this first project workspace here. And to the right, you will see a list of all workspace items, including dashboards as well as sheets within the given workspace. So this is the first way, or the first option, how you can navigate to them and edit and customize them. Simply click into that checkbox next to the given sheet you would like to customize and edit, just like that. And after that, you will see a list of actions by clicking into that arrow down icon next to actions. So you may open the given sheet in a new window or in a new tab. It would look like that here with your sheet and its contents and the given or current view. We're going to show you how to edit your sheet from there just in a second, in the second option. So that's one way, and you can also, guys, rename your sheet here. You can save it as a template, for example, to use it as a sheet template for future project sheets. Recast a backup, of course, delete it if you like, export it via Microsoft or to Microsoft Excel, PDF, Google Sheets, access its properties, and so on and so forth. You can do the same, guys, by simply right-clicking into the given sheet here and go again through that menu. For example, you may also click into that trash icon here to delete the given item, in this case this sheet. Now I'm not going to do this, so I will click into cancel here. And that's one way how you can edit your sheet. Now the second option, guys, would be to access it by left-clicking into it, or right click and then open a new tab. And from here, guys, you will see your sheet in detail. For example, you will see the title here at the top. You can make it a favorite by clicking into that star icon. You may share it here in the top right corner. For example, you can share the specific sheet by clicking into this button, or you may share your entire workspace items with either your workspace members or through a shareable link with externals. So what you want to do, guys, next is go through the specific views that are available for the given sheet. You may do that by clicking into that arrow down icon next to the current view. As you can see, for that sheet here, these views are currently available: table, board, grid, card, and calendar. So let me switch from table to board. Wait for a brief moment to finish loading, and then there you go. You will see these tasks and items that are listed under that sheet or project sheet. And what you want to do next, guys, is let me just switch back to the table view, because I prefer it because it gives me the best overview of all of my ongoing or completed tasks. So as previously mentioned, guys, you can add items to your sheet. If you're in the table view, for example, it is actually very simple. You may add, for example, new rows by clicking into this plus button, or columns by clicking into this plus button here. And for example, customize your column by adding a drop-down list or a checkbox or a status. Well, we already have the status column, but as you can see, the duration, progress, as you can see, guys, you can add quite a lot of these columns here, or properties to your sheet. Now you can fill these cells also with content and with properties. For example, you may create a task by clicking into this button here, primary column. Simply left click into it, double click into it, and name the task. After that, you may describe it in the next cell or field here. You may assign a workspace member to it in the next column by clicking into that arrow down icon and select the user from your team. After that, set a status. For example, planning, in progress, complete, a priority. So guys, I guess you can see what I'm getting at here. It is actually no rocket science, I'd say. You can set a creation date, a due date if you like, with a specific column with a modification date. And then guys, what you want to do is, for example, is take a look at that menu here at the top. So you may, for instance, undo the last or the most recent actions by clicking into that arrow to the left icon, or use the shortcut Ctrl+Z, or redo the last action by using this button. Here you may use the search function to find something, find specific value or item within your sheet. You may apply various filters, for example, add a filter here. You may change the format, for example, go through, change, for example, the font size, apply bold letters, italic letters, change the background color, use a center, left or right alignment, top align, bottom line, and so on and so forth. So you may go through these as well. You may add formulas, comments, or conversations. And that icon here, guys, is pretty relevant. That paperclip icon will allow you to upload and add attachments to your sheet. Not to a specific task, because to add attachment to a specific task, simply click into that button here next to the given task, like PDF, instructions, PDFs, or images in JPEG, and so on and so forth. But if you click into this button here, you'll be given the opportunity to add an attachment, for example, to select a task here, for example, or simply for all rows there. After that, simply drag and drop the given file from your device, or click into add to find it, for example, or locate it on your device by clicking into upload a file here. And that's basically it, guys. That's the main functions and customization tools that may help you edit and customize your sheets and dashboards on Smartsheet. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and I'll see you next time on our channel.